Data science is an amalgamation of different scientific methods, algorithms and systems which enable us to gain insights and derive knowledge from data in various forms. Various organizations like Google, Facebook, Uber, Netflix, etc. are already leveraging data science to provide better experiences to their end users. Although data science techniques have been conceptualized and in use for several decades now, the current demand for data science is fueled by the high availability of digital data and resources for computation. This course serves as an introduction to various data science concepts such as probability, statistics, linear algebra, machine learning, and computer science. At the end of this course, you should be familiar with the key ideas behind these concepts. By the end of this course, you should be able to understand what is data science, recognize why data science is gaining importance in today's business world, comprehend where data science can be applied in different scenarios across industry domains, understand major components of data science stack, learn how a data science project is implemented step by step in a given business use case.